We're going to divide 1,936 by 4. So first thing you ask yourself, can 1 be divided by 4? No, 1 cannot be divided by 4 evenly without any decimal parts. So now we ask ourselves, can 19 be divided by 4? So you look along your multiplication chart along the row of 4s until you get close to 19 without going over. And you would land on 16. 4 groups of 4 makes 16, so 4 can fit into 19 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. Now I need to see what's left over. So 19 take away 16 is 3. And then you have to bring down the numbers that you haven't divided yet. Now I still have 336 left over to divide. So now I'm going to ask myself, how many times can 4 fit into 33? So look along your row of 4s again on your multiplication chart until you get close to 33 without going over. You would land on 32, and 4 times 8 gives you 32, so it would fit in 8 times. 8 times 4 makes 32. Then I'm going to subtract to see what I still have left over. 33 take away 32 is 1. Bring down the 6 that you haven't used yet. Last step, I'm going to figure out how many times 4 can fit into the 16 that I still have left over. So 4 fits into 16 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. And 16 subtract 16 leaves me with 0. I have no remainder. So 1,936 divided by 4 equals 484. Now we're going to solve 2,513 divided by 3. So first step, how many times does 3 fit into 25? Look along your row of 3s on your multiplication chart until you get close to 25. You land on 24. So 3 fits into 25 8 times. 8 times 3 gives me 24. Now I'm going to subtract to see what I still have left over that I need to be dividing. 25 take away 24 is 1. And we're going to bring down the numbers that we haven't used yet. I still have 113 that I need to divide. So now I'm going to ask myself, how many times can 3 fit into 11? Going along your row of 3s, you would land on 9, the closest number to 11 without going over. 3 times 3 gives me 9. So 3 can fit into 11 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. Then I'm going to subtract, bring down the number that I haven't used. Lastly, I have to see how many times 3 will fit into 23. So 3 will fit into 23 7 times. 7 times 3 is 21. Subtract, and I have 2 left over that still needs to be divided. 3 does not fit into 2 without making decimals, so that means that our remainder for this question is 2. So 2,513 divided by 3 equals 837 with a remainder of 2.